Today we will discuss about MCQ for Basic Mechanical Engineering Part 2 from Energy. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. Question number 1. Main disadvantage of nuclear energy is options: high operating cost, waste disposal, low efficiency, all of the above. Waste disposal is big challenge because it contains radiation which is dangerous to human. So we can say B is the right answer for this question. Next, a source of energy is known as renewable source of energy. Options: fossil fuel, nuclear, CNG, wind. So here you can understand the renewable source of energy is only the wind energy. So D is the right answer. Because of fossil fuel, nuclear energy, CNG, all are having limited resources. So A, B, C are known as the non-renewable sources. Now next, the artificial fuel is options: petroleum, wood, petrol, peat. So let's consider the image. This is the classification of fuel, and you have to remember, because of it is so much important, having number of MCQs from this classification. So here artificial fuel. So this is actually category of artificial fuel. You can check it: petroleum. So petroleum is natural fuel. Wood, that is also natural fuel. Petrol, here you can see petrol is in category of artificial fuel. So C is the right answer. Next, a gas produced by partial combustion of coal in presence of limited amount of air supplied. Option: coke oven gas, water gas, producer gas, blast furnace gas. Consider a very important note that coke oven gas is produced during production of coke by heating bituminous coal at 600 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. Producer gas is obtained from the partial combustion of coal when they are burned with an insufficient quantity of air. Water gas is produced by blowing steam into white hot coke or coal. Blast furnace gas is byproduct of pig iron, in which air is forced through layers of iron ore in a blast furnace. So this is actually the summary of these all types of the gases. So here a gas produced by partial combustion of coal. Here you can see it is a partial combustion of coal. So producer gas is the right answer. That means C is the right. Next, a gas is produced during production of coke by heating of bituminous coal at 800 degrees Celsius. Option: natural gas, coal gas, coke oven gas, blast furnace gas. So once again look at this note. So here you can understand a gas produced during production of coke by heating of bituminous coal. Here you can see coke by heating of bituminous coal. So coke oven gas is the right answer. Next, a fuel is made by compressing methane, which is extracted from natural gas and stored at high pressure about 200 bar. Option: LPG, CNG, biogas, hydrogen gas. So here compressing methane, and you know that CNG, that means compressed natural gas. So B is the right answer. This is a brief note about the CNG. NG is compressed to 1% of its volume at standard atmospheric pressure. It is stored and distributed in hard containers at a pressure of 220 bar. CNG is lighter than air, so in case of accident it dissipates into air, thus it is a safe fuel. So MCQ can be asked from these notes also. So you have to keep in mind about the brief introduction of CNG. Next, 1 kg nuclear fuel is equivalent to dash kg of coal. Options: 2.5 into 10 raised to 2, 2.5 into 10 raised to 4, 2.5 into 10 raised to 6, 2.5 into 10 raised to 8. So you need to remember that 1 kg of nuclear fuel is equivalent to 2.5 into 10 raised to 6 kg of coal. So C is the right answer. Next, which of the following is not correct impact of global warming? Option: sea ice decrease, humidity decrease, earth surface temperature increase, ozone heat content increase. So due to the global warming, you know that sea ice decrease and so that the water level increase. Earth surface temperature is also increased, ozone heat content is also increased, but it is irrelevant to the humidity. So B is the right answer. Next, the function of ozone layer is option to protect the earth from ultraviolet rays, to increase temperature of earth, to increase carbon dioxide in atmosphere, none of the above. Let's consider this image. And in this image you can see this is actually the ozone layer in stratosphere, and that prevents ultraviolet rays. And you know that there are actually three types of ultraviolet rays, and ozone layer absorbs majority of ultraviolet B and ultraviolet C. Because of these both are actually very dangerous to the humankind. So A is the right answer. Next, which of the following is natural fuel? Options: lignite coal, charcoal, both A and B, none of the above. So consider this figure, classification of fuel, and here you can see which of the following is natural fuel. So this is a natural fuel. So in which you can see lignite is the natural fuel. So A is the right answer. Next, which coal is having the highest calorific value? Options: lignite coal, anthracite coal, bituminous coal, both B and C. So anthracite is the right answer. But let me show you one important figure. Here you can see this is a peat, lignite, and subbituminous, bituminous, and anthracite. And according to calorific value, I can see in this direction it is going to increase. That means according to the calorific value, this is actually ascending order. So if you move from left to right, then calorific value is increase. So it is given to you in symbolic notation, calorific value is increased when you move from left to right. So anthracite having highest calorific value and peat having lowest calorific value. So here the question is about highest calorific value. So anthracite coal is the right answer. And anthracite is looking like that. So this is kind of your information. Next, which source of energy is known as non-renewable source? Option: fossil fuel, CNG, nuclear, all of the above. So we know that non-renewable, that means sources will run out or will not be replaced once they are used up. So they will not be restored, not for thousands of years. So all of the above is the right answer. Next, which of the following is converted into electricity in hydropower plant? Option: nuclear energy, potential energy, thermal energy, all of the above. So let's consider the image of the hydropower plant, and here this water is stored, that is called as the water reservoir. Most popular word is the dam. And due to that height, potential energy is stored, and that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, and thus it can produce the electricity. So we can say potential energy convert into electricity by the hydroelectric power plant. So B is the right answer. Next, biofuels can be produced from option: biomass, agriculture waste, municipal garbage, all of the above. So everybody knows that biofuels can be produced from the biomass, agriculture waste, as well as municipal garbage. So all of the above is the right answer. Next, the main composition of biogas is methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. So you need to remember that main composition of biogas is the methane. So A is the right answer. Next, a solar cell is electrical device that converts energy of light into electricity by option: photovoltaic effect, chemical effect, atmospheric effect, physical effect. So let me show you one figure. This is actually the modules from where you can produce the electricity. by the photovoltaic effect. So a solar cell or photovoltaic cell, that is known as the PV, is a device that converts light into electricity with the help of the photovoltaic effect. So here A is the right answer. Next, which is obtained by reducing volatile matter from bituminous coal? Option: charcoal, lignite coal, coke, peat. So let me show you the important note about the coke. So it is obtained by reducing volatile matter from the bituminous coal. So coke is the right answer. It is hard, brittle and porous, and this is the figure of the coke. So this is for the kind of your information. So C is the right answer. So thanks my dear friends. Keep watching. We'll continue the same session in the next video. Press the like button to appreciate this video.